friends, it's Miss Janelle. Today I'm going to do a little review on measuring. So far we've used the ruler, right? Everyone in my class has a ruler in their pack, and the ruler measures objects to see how long they are. And our ruler is a foot ruler, right? It starts with 0 and ends at 12. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 12. This ruler measures 12 inches, or again, it's a foot. We've measured quite a few things with our ruler already. We've also taken objects in the classroom and at home, and we've measured. So, for example, I have a crayon, and I'm going to use non-standard objects as a measuring tool. So in this case, I'm using my Lincoln cube. Now remember, in order to measure objects with non-standard tools, they have to be the same. Now, all these are not the same color, right? They're different colors, but they're the same size. So let's see how many Lincoln cubes long my crayon is. Let's see. Can you see? I'm going to put it in front. I think we need another one, right? What about now? Maybe one more, you think? Yes? Okay, let's try. Let's see. So my crayon is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Lincoln cubes long. So the crayon looks a little bit shorter, not much. So we're going to say that it's about 5 Lincoln cubes long. You could measure. Some of my friends have measured with their Legos, with paperclip, with same size circle. There's lots of ways you can use non-standard measuring tools. Another way we measured, just one time, but we measured pumpkin. Remember we had our pumpkins in the class, and we had string. And what we measured was the circumference of the pumpkin, how wide around our pumpkin was. So we started, and we took it around, and we measured. And make sure you want to get the fattest part of the pumpkin. Remember that. And then we marked it. So I marked this my beginning, and this where the tape is was the end, and that's how. And then I took my ruler, and I measured how long that was to find the circumference of my pumpkin. So that was another way we learned to measure. Today I'm going to show you a new tool that we use a lot in the classroom, and that is, do you know what this is called? This is a balance scale. A balance scale. Balanza. A balance scale. The balance scale is used to measure weight. Did you ever go to the doctor's office and they had you stand on a scale to find out how much you weighed? Yeah, see, a lot of my friends said yeah. Okay, so this is a balance scale. This scale does not give us an exact number, but instead tells us how much, which side is heavier. Heavier, más pesado. Okay, or which side is lighter, más ligera. Okay. Now, something you need to know about the scale is this center point here. It's a little off. My table isn't completely flat here, but this center point right here is called the fulcrum, or in Spanish, fulcro. The center right here, and that's our center point. Now, I'm going to take a block, and what do you think will happen if I put this block on this side? Let's find out. Oh, look at the fulcrum here. Is it in the middle anymore? No, what happened? the side with the block is heavier. Again, heavier. Más pesada. Heavier. Let's try it again. Let's see what happens. They're the same. It's equal. Both sides are the same. Both sides are, if you can see, they're clear, so you can see inside. There's nothing in them. They're empty. So let me see what will happen if I put the block on this side. Well, what happened? Last time, this one was all the way down, right? But this time, because again, the block is heavier. There's nothing in there. The heavier, más pesada. Well, that's what a scale tells us. A balanced scale like this tells us. It doesn't give us an exact weight. It just tells us which side is heavier, which side is lighter. Let me try and put the 5 Lincoln cube that we used to measure our crayon before on the side. What happened? Did it move? No, right? Still, this block is still heavier. What happens if I take this block out? Which side is heavier now? Right, the one with the Lincoln cube. Right? All right, that's all for today. We're going to be exploring the balance scale with on some other videos. So I have some more videos coming up where we're going to be sorting different objects and seeing which one is heavier and which one's lighter and comparing. So that's all I have for today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.